Hello again, friends. This is Maxwell Demille talking, here to welcome you to the Cicada Club in downtown Los Angeles, California, America's greatest summer playground, where tonight we take you back, turning back the clock to those old days of Los Angeles down in Central Avenue. And say, folks, I'd like to let you know we've had over 5,000 people tune in to tonight's broadcast. We're broadcasting around the world and across the nation by means of electronic television, courtesy of the Dumont Television Network. And now it's time for Chester Whitmore and his Central Avenue Revue.
Gotta get kids, gotta keep it going, warming up. At this time, since you guys are moving on the floor and keeping it going, keep that rhythm going because we're going to do our version of a nice tune called The Swingin' Times. where you are, ladies and gentlemen. Stay right where you are. Like that. Y'all just swing at everything else. I want you to, this is what we used to call in the 60s, we call it rubber dub. Rubber dub is a form. How many of you heard of rubber dub? Have you know what rubber dub is? You don't know? Raise your hand if you don't know. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Well, anyhow, let's see. It's Erica Chipman in right quick. Erica, come out here. Now, rubber dub is the type of thing. Rubber dub. Woo! Rubber dub is the style of dancing which you do. You heard of torch songs, blues songs, and everything else. But rubber dub is the type of music when you go. I better not drop this. That's rubber dub when you get closer. Stay right there. Grab your girl right now. We're going to do the rubber dub. Erica Chipman, ladies and gentlemen. And Richard Tudor.
My romance, my romance doesn't have to have a moon in the sky. My romance doesn't need a blue lagoon standing by. No mother May, no twinkling stars, no hideaway, no soft guitars. My romance doesn't need a castle rising in Spain, nor a dance to a constantly surprising refrain. Wide awake, I can make my most fantastic dreams come true. My romance doesn't need a thing but you. Wide awake, I can make my most fantastic dreams come true. My romance doesn't need a thing but you.
Let's hear it. Erica Chipman, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. David Williams, are you in the house? I told you I'd bring him back up, ladies and gentlemen. Just hear it. David Williams. Ready, David? I'm ready. Give them something. Just do a little bit of Count Basie thing. You guys ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
All right. Woo! All right. Okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, all right. Okay, you win. I'm in love with you. I'll do anything you want. Just gotta tell me so. Woo! Well, all right. Okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, all right. Okay, you win. I'm in love with you. I'll do anything you say. Just got to be that way. Woo! Early in the morning. Woo! up with a kiss. Do all I've been asking and all the things I missed. Woo! All right. Okay, you win. I'm in love. All right. Okay, you win. I'm in love. I'll do anything you say. Woo! Just got to be that way. With a kiss, do all the things I've been asking, all the things you make me do. All right, okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, all right, okay, you win. I'm in love with you. I'll do anything you say. Girl, it just got to be that way. Woo! Okay, all right. I'll do anything you say. Just got to be that way. All right, you win. Woo.
David Will! Woo! Wait, David. Now, David, what you said, man? You have a friend out there named Demille'S, man. That last number made me thirsty. I'm going to go out there and nurse a drink right quick. Give me somebody. Is Demille'S here? Where's D? There he is. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Demille'S. You see him there? Baby, band leader, composer, director. Well, you know, I'm going to go out there and get me a drink.
Get your drink, but you make sure you come back.
All right.
Okay?
All right, do your thing.
All right, let's see what's going to happen here. You know, I usually do this as Sammy Davis Jr. Let me see what I can do for you tonight. Quarter to 3, there's no one in the place except you and me. So set 'em up, Joe. I've got a little story you ought to know. We're drinking, my friend, to the end of a brief episode. So make it one for my baby and one more for the road. Go on and show them what you can do on those keyboards. One for my baby, one more for the road. So thanks for the cheer. I hope you didn't mind me bending your ear. This torch that I found, it's gotta be drowned or it's gonna explode. To the end of a brief episode. So make it one for my baby, one more for the road. Go on, man, go on, play it, play it. So make it one for my baby and one more for the road. Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you. Where's Sylvia? Sylvia, me and Sylvia are going to do a little something for you. Where is she with that red dress on? Come on. Oh, yeah. We're going to do this together, so get ready. We're going to swing on nothing tonight. You ready?
Wait a minute, they got it right now. I want everybody to say, swinging on nothing. I can't hear you. I want you to say, swinging on nothing. Okay, now when they say, what you gonna say? Swinging, oh, swinging all ways. Swinging all ways. Swinging all days. Oh, okay, you got it. Huh? Oh, you gotta get going. You gotta get this, well, jump this now. Ready?
She's swinging on something back there.
Let's get this joint jumping.
Always swinging on nothing, swinging always, swinging on nothing, swinging always. Oh Lord, swinging all day, swinging. Come on, swinging always, swinging always. Oh Lord, hey. Justin Whitmore, the dancers. Yes. Fantastic.
Yes, indeed. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's hear it. Sylvia Rodriguez, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for her. Come on. time. Stay with me. You missed it. Gotcha. Thank you. Break it down. Hold it. Bass on it. You've been having fun, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I've been having fun. I'm not tired. Wait a minute. A minute. I'm not out of breath. The breath is out of me. But I tell you, we've been having a good time. We like to introduce a song. We like always inventing and showing steps. And we read about them, but we never see them. And we try to keep them alive. Cicada. Let's give Maxwell a round of applause. Do we have that chart up? We like to do a number that was cut out of a movie from 1947. And grab yourself a girl. Oh, wait a minute. There's a birthday girl in here. Where's she at? Aha! Give her a round of applause. Give her. Oscar. Hey, it's the boy. Come on down here. All the birthday people, come on out here. This number right here was done in 1947, but it was cut out of a movie with Rita Hayworth. And it was just cut out. So, you know, I gradually collect sheet music from the old motion pictures to put it back together again. And give the band a round of applause because they've been working their brains out. And we like to do it right here for you. It's all the birthday people in front. Where's she at? Where's she at? Your birthday? Yeah. Well, get over here because yours too? Well, get on over here, man. Who else is their birthday over here? Who's that? Get on up here. Yes, Reva. Yeah. Okay, what we're going to do right here, you know, dancers, come on out and give the dancers a round of applause for coming out here. Oh, but all of you guys give yourselves applause. You guys keeping the dance alive. The people from the colleges, the city colleges, everybody out here. We like to do a dance, a number. It's called The Stare. It was cut out of the movie with Rita Hayworth, and we like to show it here. You heard it first. Here's the Cicada. Okay? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and The Stare. Okay. One more? We'll talk a little bit. We got one more. One more. Here we go. Guys ready?
Chester Whitmore'S Central Avenue Revue. Say, Chester, the audience seems to be wanting one more. Would you like to hear one more, ladies and gentlemen? I don't think the band heard you. In that case, all right, one more song, ladies and gentlemen. Chester Whitmore'S Central Avenue Revue. You've got your Jar Jar Binks hat on, don't you?
Oh, pay the rent. Oh, no. I'll pay the rent. Oh, no. Who'll pay the rent? I'll pay the rent. You'll never pay the rent. Okay, here we go. One from the songbook of the Duke of Ellington. Come on out here, Sylvia. the Opus One Big Band.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chester Whitmore, Central Avenue Revue. We hope you have enjoyed our tribute to Central Avenue in those days long gone. A little slice of fun here at the Cicada Club. I'd like to let you know next week it's Mother's Day, and that means it's the Adam Tunney Show, a special Mother's Day show. Bring your mother or bring someone else's mother, and it'll be a lot of fun for all you mothers out there. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you next time here at the Cicada Club. But for now, this is Maxwell DeMille wishing you all the best of good luck and good evening.